In this video lecture, we will look at do-while loop in Java programming. As I told you, we have different types of loops. So you have for loop, you have while loop, you have enhanced for loop, you have do-while loop, and so many of them. I think this is limited number of the loops we have in Java programming. Okay, do-while loop is a type of our loop system in Java, and it works exactly just the same way while loop and for loop works. So it is no exception, it's just the usage and when to use it and how to use it. Using the example just very before us right now, let's go ahead and check out to see how do-while loop really works out in Java. I promise you that everything is going to be treated just very before you, and that is what I'm doing. So for every example here, you put it on your laptop and check it out and make sure that it's working out very fine. You practice with it and then you go ahead and play around with it. So let's go ahead and check out and see how do-while loop works, and we go ahead and start using it in Java programming. Okay. In this example, I first of all initialize x, a variable, and assign the value of 15 to x. Now I want to print x until it gets to 30. So I use system.out.println. Every string value of x is going to be constant, and is going to print the value of x. Afterwards, that is where I use concatenation to combine these two together. Then x increments means when it prints 15, it goes ahead and prints 16, 17, 18, 19, and so on. So I use system.out.print escape character. So this is going to make it to move over to the next line. So without this, if I put this as our comment, let's check it out to see how it looks like. Because we are here for practical and we'll be learning with examples. Okay. So do-while loop, you start with a do and you end with a while. Because I want to print from 15 to 30, I'll go ahead and say x less than or equal to 30. But if I want it to stop at 29, I'm going to say x less than 30. So if I remove the equal sign, there is going to be x less than 30. So it's going to print from 15 to 29. And afterwards, I'll go ahead and put equal sign there. So let's go ahead and run this code right now and see what it gives us. Running this code it prints everything just in the same line because we commented the escape character. Go ahead and remove this, uncomment it from here, and run this code again. Let's check it out. So you can see that this escape character moves it to the next line, and it's printed 15 to 19. So I believe that is very clear. So let's go ahead and put x less than or equal to 30. It's going to move from 15 to 30 and not 29 again. So go ahead and run this code again, and I got 15 to 30. So I believe that you really understood how do-while loop works, just exactly same with a for loop or while loop. Alright, this is all about do-while loop. Just very easy and straightforward. In case if you have any issue using do-while loop, please, I would like you to put your questions on the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.